Fasting isn't a diet, it's a reset signal, a way to train your hormones, not just your willpower. But here's the truth. You can't fast your way to muscle. You fast to create clarity, metabolic efficiency, and reset insulin. You feed to grow. Here's how I use fasting inside a muscle-focused, peptide-supported protocol. I play with 12 to 16-hour fasts depending on my goals and stress levels. Women who overfast, especially in midlife, often lose muscle. So this isn't about extremes, it's about rhythm. Use fasted mornings to pair with movement and mitochondrial peptides like MOTS-C or tesofensine. This is when your body is primed to tap into fat stores, reduce inflammation, and trigger autophagy. But when it's time to eat like a woman rebuilding her power. Prioritize 30 to 40 grams of protein in your first meal. Your muscle is watching for that signal, and so are your hormones. Peptides like CJC, ipamorelin, and tesamorelin work best when you're properly fueled. So don't use fasting as a crutch. Use it as a window and then nourish the rebuild. You can test to see if you are in ketosis. Get the strips or the monitor. Your fasted insulin numbers matter. Remember, ketosis isn't a diet, but rather it is a metabolic state where your body uses fat for fuel. Here's the Queen's rule. We don't fast to get smaller, we fast to get sharper, then we feed the future.